Here's the question, parts A, B and C. Pictures below and there's a little bit more underneath. So let's go down to the picture. Here's the sketch of the curve and the straight line tangent. Find this integral and the shaded area. Okay, that's the actual question then. There it is there. I've summarized it here. Everything's here we need. So I'm going to have a go at it then. Find the tangent at P minus 1, 6 in this form. And the curve x to the 5 minus 2x squared plus 9. So A, let's write down the curve, x to the 5 minus 2x squared plus 9. And the point P was minus 1, 6. So I'm just going to go and check that I've written that down correctly. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so let's get dy dx then. Power rule, 5 lots of x to the 1 less, minus the 2 comes down to be with that 2 to make 4, x to the 1 less, which equals, put minus 1 in then, 5 times minus 1 to the 4, minus 4 times minus 1. 5 plus 4 is 9. Okay, good. So that's 9. That's dy dx, so the tangent then, y minus the y value, 6, is equal to the gradient, which is 9, x minus the x value, minus 1. Okay, so y equals then? Well, it'll be 9x when we expand the bracket, 9x plus 9, plus the 6 more is plus 15. So there's our tangent. Good, so that's part A. Q2k lies on the curve, find the value of k. So B, part 1, Q2k. At x equals k then, x equals 2 rather, y is k, isn't it? It lies on the curve. It will be 2 to the 5, which is 32, minus 2 times 2 squared, which is 4, 2 4s are 8, plus 9. 9 minus 8 is 1, 1 plus 32 is 33. So there's the point Q, 233. We found K. Verify Q also lies on the tangent to the curve at P. So part 2. So here, y is equal to 9. The x value is 2. Plus the 15 value. So what is the y value here? 18 plus 15 is 33. So Q is on tangent in question. Okay, that's B part 2. Let's have a look at C now. We got this curve, the curve itself of the function. Here's the tangent. Here's the curve minus 1, 6, wasn't it? So let's put that in now. And this was the value on the other point here on the curve Q, and that was 233. Okay, so part C, find this integral, and then hence find the area A, the shaded area. So let's just concern ourselves with this integral then. So part C, the integral between minus 1 and 2 of x to the 5 minus 2x squared plus 9 dx. Well, that's equal to then x to the 6 over 6 minus 2x cubed over 3 plus 9 lots of x. That needs to be worked out between minus 1 and 2. So that's equal to then put 2 in, 2 to the 6, there's a 2 underneath, so that's 2 to the 5, 32 over 3, isn't it? Minus 2 cubed is 8, 8 2s is 16 over 3, 9 2s are 18, so it's plus 18. Minus, put minus 1 in here, that's 1/6. Put 1 in here, minus, and this will be a plus 2/3. And then this one, 9 times minus 1 is minus 9. So what have we got then? Well, we've got 18 minus 9 is plus 9 is 27. Thirds, we've got 32 thirds minus 2 thirds, which is 30 thirds. And then we've got we've got minus 16 thirds. So that's 16 plus minus is 14 thirds. Let's put that in. 14 thirds then. That's that one gone. And then we've got, what else? We've got minus 1/6. 1/6. So that's 27. 14 thirds is 28 sixths is 28 sixths minus 1/6 is 27 sixths, which is equal to 4, 5, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sixes are 24. So that'll be 31. 4 sixes are 24, and then 3 sixes, that's 31.5. Okay. So I'm just going to double check that. X to the 6 over 6 is x to the 5 over 3. And x to the 5 is 2 to the 5 is 32 over 3. And then its 2 cubed is 8. 16 minus 16 thirds plus 18. Minus, and then you got minus 1 in here is 1/6. And then this will be a plus 2 thirds. And this will be a minus 9. So what have we got? We've got an 18 plus 9 is 27. Then we've got 32 thirds minus 16 thirds is 16 thirds. Take away 2 thirds is 14 thirds. 16 thirds, take away 2 thirds is 14 thirds. And then the only other term is this one minus 1/6. So 28 over 6 minus 1 over 6 is 27 over 6. That and that. 6 fours are 24. And 3 sixths, 4 and 3 sixths, 4.5. 31.5 then. Yeah, that seems fine. Right, so let's work out the shaded area then. That was C part 1. We worked out that integral. Now C part 2 then, 31.5 for that area. And that was the area under the curve. So I'm going to highlight it now. There's a dashed line digital pen. So basically, if we look at the area that's shaded, if we take the bigger area, we're going to find this area, then the shaded area is equal to, well, it'll be this rectangle. Okay, let's add up this whole area here, which is this rectangle here. Minus 1 to 2 is 3 times the height 6, so that's 18. Plus half base, which is half of 3, times the height here, goes from 6 to 33, which is 27. Half base times height. Helps to write the half in correctly, of course. So you got that. So that's the total area of this shape here, under this tangent between minus 1 and 2. And take away the area under the curve, which we got as 31.5. So minus 31.5, which is 63 over 2, isn't it? And this is 81 over 2. So we've got 81 over 2 is 81, take away 63 is 18 over 2. 18 over 2, which is 9. 27 units squared. So sorry I've squeezed it in there at the end of this question, but that's the answer for C part 2, and I've just put it in there. 27 units squared.